Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be altering embroidery hoop and creating a lovely project with Lemoncraft Serenity collection. My hoop will be very light, romantic and shabby chic, and I will be using mostly papers to embellish my project, but also few other bits and elements. The hoop is about 7 inch, so it's about 19 centimeters, and I'm just choosing the paper which will go on the back of the hoop, and it will be my background. I'm drawing around my hoop on the paper and I will cut it out. It's good to cut it out slightly smaller than the hoop, so then when you will be sticking it to the back it will not be sticking out on the sides. And I'm covering my paper with clear gesso. It will protect the paper, and if I would like to use the paints later, the paints flows really nicely on the protected surface. Next step is to paint the hoop. I'm using white gesso. You could also use white acrylic paint, and I'll be covering it twice to have a nice white frame. Then I decided to cut out another circle out of the very thick cardboard piece, because I will be sticking it on. I will be sticking my paper on it just to make it very sturdy, because I will be adding a lot of layers on the paper, so I want to have a really thick background to work with. Adhere the paper to the cardboard using gel medium and rub with your fingers, so you will push all the air bubbles out, and we don't want paper to wave on the surface. You want to have it nice and flat. After that, I applied the gel medium on my hoop, because I thought I'm going to stick it to the paper, but actually straight away I decided that I want to embellish my background first. So if you will be doing that project, don't add gel medium on the hoop yet. First finish your background. So I thought it will be nice to have some texture here, and I decided to use a stencil and texture paste and also white embossing powder. I am just adding embossing powder here and there, and you need to use the heat gun just to dry it. It may take a little bit longer than usually because the texture paste is quite thick. And then you can attach your hoop to the background when you have it ready. So I'm putting my hoop on the side to dry, and then I will be cutting out some elements to use on my project, and I'm using a Serenity collection. This is the album edition, and I will be cutting out some flowers, frame, hot air balloon and leaves. I also decided to emboss in white a chipboard heart, which will be in the center of my project, and then I will choose some embellishments to create a composition on my project. So here I am with some embellishments. I've got pieces of fabric, some chipboard swirls, also little Foamiran flowers, pieces of lace flowers, and what else? Pieces of lace, yes, and of course all those elements which I cut out of the papers, and I will be playing with them. I didn't speed that video a lot, so you can see how I created the composition. There was a lot of moving items and trying them, but I hope it will be inspirational for you, and maybe you will decide to create similar project. So I will talk to you at the end of the video. My project is almost ready. I'm just adding a little bit more texture with those microstones or micro beads, and also I've got a clear glitter here. Then I will be adding some splats with white and black acrylic paint, and also I decided to add a lovely sentiment which says beautiful day. So this will be it for today. I hope you like the video and I hope you like my project. I must say that I really love it. It's a very nice, very delicate project, and I'm hoping that you will create something similar. Please visit Lemoncraft blog and Facebook page. You will find lots of inspiration there, and also other mixed media romantic projects. So if you like that style, you may find it interesting. I want to thank you very much for joining me today, for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will have the notifications when I upload a new videos. Take care, all the best to you, have a lovely day. Bye bye!